Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here to do a flip through of a little Halloween journal that I have. I'm calling it the Poison Apple. It's made from file folder. It has some sticky backed velvet on the spine, and it has some on the inside cover. The front is a digital the Poison Apple. There's a book plate, says beware. It has a velvet ribbon bookmark with a little circle and star charm. The closure is a bulldog clip closure with a little skull charm on the end. It has two signatures. I'm not sure of the number of pages. It will be listed in my Etsy shop. It is for sale there in my Etsy shop. On the inside here is a library card holder, and it has just a little inventory, wish list inventory, and then a book card for you to, maybe write the title of your book or what it's about, that type of thing. And then it's basically a blank journal for you to make your own. A lot of the ephemera is removable, or where you can change it out if you wanted. It has on the spine, on the different signature covers, there are these little, I call them little crystal balls, charms. And then on the inside, this is a little tuck spot, a little ribbon tuck spot, and it has just a couple of tags in there. And then this is just a cellophane piece of paper. Like I say, a lot of the pages are blank. This is a vintage map. This is a little tag that I made with a little digital witch. And this is a Dollar Tree chalkboard tag that I made. And then this is some vintage ledger paper. This is just some graph paper. Again, some more vintage ledger paper. On this one, I made it a tuck spot. And then we have here just a couple of little tags and items for you to use. This is another little tag that I made with a little digital print that I made into a what is that called? A sticker. This is the center of the envelope. It is a center of the signature. It is an envelope, and it has a digital print here, the Happy Halloween. And then there's just a couple little tags inside. And then the back is another digital print. This is just some seismic paper that I believe from the 50s that somebody gifted me. This is just some handmade paper. Again, that ledger paper, and it has a little room for you to expand if you wanted to add different things to put in there. You have a little room to expand. And then this is another little tag that I made on some graph paper. And again, this is that ledger paper. This is just some blank paper with a little digital thumbprint, a stamp. This is that vintage matte paper, and on it I have a little thing that says, "I'd turn back if I were you." There's a little stamp, another digital. And then that's the first signature. And then this is the second signature, and it's the Haunted Mansion. Oh, this is a little vial that I made. It's just got some black glitter in there, and then I put a little poison label on there. And then this is the second signature, and then this is a tuck spot, and it just has a couple of little a little digital tag. These are a couple of tags that I made. Okay. And then, again, a lot of these pages are the same. This is The Wicked Witch of the West, and then The Flying Monkeys. That always scared me so bad when I was a little girl. And then I did get to go to Las Vegas in February, and I got to see The Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. So it was a lot of fun, very special time. It was for my 70th birthday. And then this is just some more of that paper. This is the center of the signature, an envelope. I believe it's empty. Just there's some more. Again, this is some of that ledger paper, that digital, and then this pulls out. Okay, this is a little tarot card that you can journal on the back. This is a Dollar Tree item that I just painted and added. And then again, some ledger paper. Some old, this is from a shorthand book that my mom had. So this is from like the 1940s. And then this is the back. And then it just has these little tuck spot with the raven and then a squirrel. Or no squirrel, an owl. And that's the end. So that's that one. It is for sale in my Etsy shop. If you take a look, I'd appreciate it if you leave me a comment or ask me a question. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much.